The new M12 connectors with push-pull fast locking system are perfectly suited for the railway industry. Why? Because the connection is extremely robust. It resists even high shock and vibration loads, which are typical for the railway applications. What's so special about the connector is that you just have to plug it in and it's securely interlocked without having to use any tools. The push-pull locking system gives you a clear feedback. The connector springs back if it is not snapped in correctly. This way you can't go wrong. The connector itself is safely shielded by an overall shielded braid, even under extreme mechanical strain. The push-pull program includes M12 connectors for assembly in A, D and X coding. Of course, we also offer the suitable device connectors with push-pull fast locking system in different designs.